Yep, look what we got here. You've got a monster. And you know what that means? You got an iPhone 7 and let's test it out if this can handle the power of this lawnmower. Let's see if it'll be safe.
Jetty Veyron 2.0, 2000 horsepower. This monster.
Okay. Right, let's put it here. Turn it on, mine.
Oh.
Let's lift it up now. Lift it up now. Let's see. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. Oh my God.
Holy moly.
Oh no.
Oh, shattered glass at the front.
Where's all the screen gone?
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. It's gone.
That's absolutely destroyed.
Where's the battery gone?
Looks like it's stuck in the lawnmower.
Oh, this is dead. So.
Alright then. Thanks guys. Thank you for watching.
What?
And peace out.